In this video, we will be looking at how to assemble a 50 milliliter reservoir kit. Aside from the microfluidic mount, we suggest you use a chip holder and an additional chip. Take out the 50 milliliter reservoir. Note the two ports for PTFE tubing at the top. This lets us connect the reservoir to two chips instead of one. We will not go over chip connection in this video, but you are welcome to check out its own video as well. Mount the reservoir. The side port is for air, while the top ones are for fluid. Screw on a Luer connector to the side port. Insert PTFE tubing through the top ports. You may adjust the length inside the reservoir by moving the ferrule. Ensure both ends of tubing can reach near the bottom. Connect Tygon tubing to the side port adapter and your setup is complete.